Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tech tutorials like this one. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 computer safely and easily, even if you're not tech savvy. A factory reset basically returns your computer to the way it was when you first got it. It removes apps, settings, and sometimes your files, depending on the option you choose. So before anything else, make sure to back up important data. Save your documents, photos, or anything critical to an external drive or cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. Once your files are safe, click the Start button and open Settings. Go to System, then scroll down and click Recovery. On the recovery screen, you'll see an option that says Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button. Windows will ask whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. If you're fixing performance issues, keeping your files is fine. If you're selling or giving away the computer, choose Remove Everything. After selecting your option, Windows will ask how you'd like to reinstall the system, cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download grabs fresh system files from Microsoft's servers, which is great if your system files are corrupted. Local reinstall uses files already on your computer, which is faster if your internet is slow. Choose whichever option works better for you. Windows will show a summary of what will happen. Read through it so you're aware of what's being deleted. When you're ready, click Reset. Your computer will restart and begin the reset process. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on your hardware. When it's done, your PC will restart and show the Windows setup screen, just like when it was brand new. Follow the setup steps, sign into your Microsoft account, and you're ready to go. Factory resetting is one of the fastest ways to fix slow performance, weird glitches, or malware issues. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.